Hi, my name is Kyle Freeman with Roadrunner Moving and Storage, and I handle some of our commercial, medical, and industrial relocations. Anytime we're moving a commercial or medical or even industrial site, there are some simple fundamentals that do go along with making the move go as smooth as possible. And since you're probably on time and materials, you'd like this to go as smooth as possible as well. First thing is first. We have what we call banker's boxes. These are collapsible, foldable boxes. These are for any small office items if you're not using the EMCs, and we'll get to construction of that here in a little bit. Secondly, we have what we call eco moving crates, or EMCs. These are collapsible bins that you can hold small office stuff. Also, if you want to put in there file cabinet racks, they have those in there as well. Inside of these boxes are two very, very important components. First, we have our keyboard and mouse bag. These are going to protect your keyboard and mouse during the transportation of the project. You simply take your keyboard and your mouse and all auxiliary wires, put them in there, secure it, and go on down the road. Second, you will take your pink bag with protective bubbles on it, place it over your monitor, and prep it for the relocation. Another very important thing is to have labels of the destination of where you are going. The destination label shows the office not that you are moving from, but the office that you are moving to. This is called the destination location. If you're moving to the 5th floor, office 12, you might put on there 512 for your office location. Critical component of a move is that if it is not labeled, it will not be moved. So no label, no go. As you can see here on both the EMCs and the boxes, there are places that say place label here. If you have any questions about that, please do not contact me because I cannot help you. That's where the labels go. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to contact your personal move coordinator with your company. You will also be issued these pack and label session guides. Everything in this guide will be handcrafted and handwritten for your personal move. Also, do not take any personal items such as hidden money stashes, cookie jars, hidden rodeo tickets, personal items that are breakable. We do not want to be held liable for those. Also, any artwork that would be on the floor or in your office, make sure those are labeled as well. Kyle Freeman with Roadrunner Moving and Storage, and for a moving experience, call Roadrunner.